Hello everyone, my name is Rorianti Lala and in this video I'm gonna show you information about Air Merah Waterfall. The view from Air Merah Waterfall. Merah Waterfall. The first access is that I pass and the second access is across the road. This is the view from Air Merah. And this is the first destination if you arrive in Air Merah Waterfall. You can see the view and across the road. There are some big stones that usually used to sit or enjoy the view. And this is the view from the next destination, that is Air Merah Waterfall. You can also borrow flute for rent. And this is the last view from Air Merah Waterfall.